Dear students, welcome to my channel KBS classes. This channel is for you to remove your all fears regarding maths and science. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get new videos first. Dear students of class 10, I am starting here with chapter 3, a linear equation in two variables. This is an important chapter for class 10. The questions every year asked from this chapter. So you must know this chapter well. The first thing, what are to be learned in this chapter? Four things must be learned. Number 1, solving graphically. Number 2, solving using different methods. Number 3, conditions for consistent and word problems.
Yes.
Here are the different methods for solving. These are 4 in numbers. Number 1, the substitution method. Number 2, comparison method. Number 3, elimination method. Number 4, cross multiplication methods. For class 10, cross multiplication method is very important, and if it is not asked that which method is to be used, then you may use any method of your choice. But if in the question it has been mentioned, say cross multiplication method, then you must have to use the cross multiplication method, otherwise you will not get marks. Here is the form of linear equation in two variable, and that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y and c is the constant. Remember that the degrees of both variables x and y is 1 here. Okay, and this is called linear equation because when you draw the graph of this equation, you will get a straight line. That is why it is called the linear equation. Now we have to solve the linear equation by cross multiplication. Then to solve any linear equation in two variables, we need a pair of linear equation. We need a pair of linear equation. Say it is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. But you should know that every pair of linear equation, it is not necessary that it can be solved. That I will tell you in the next videos, that how can we know whether this can be solved or not without solving. Now before solving, we can know this by using the conditions of consistency. That I will tell you in the next video. Here I am telling you and teaching you only the cross multiplication process. To solve the cross multiplication, we must have to write the coefficient of the equations in the following sequence. Write here first b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2 and again b1, b2. This portion is for x, again this and this is for y, and this one is for 1. You have to multiply by this and this one, again this and this one, this and this one. How will you write? You must have to write in this way as x by b1 into c2 minus this must be given. This is the sign for, you can tell that this is the formula sign, and b2 c1. Then give a sign of equality. Y is equal to, now y by c1 a2, c1 a2 minus c2 a1, c2 a1. Again equal 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this should be first written, and now you have to calculate this by multiplication and subtracting, all things to be done, and after that you have to write, suppose the answer is x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. This should be make equality with 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 A2 B1 and y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. It means that this one is the constant and this should be made equal with both the variables. The first one is equal to this last one. Again, this second one means the y related number is equal to the constant this one. So we shall write in this way. And you have already calculated this one and you have got an answer here. That is why in the next line you will get x, the value of x is equal to this number what you have got should be written here, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and y is equal to, again this number which you have already calculated should be written at the numerator part, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and by reducing this you will get your answer. Here I am taking a very simple example so that you can understand the method well. The example is 5x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 2x minus 7y is equal to minus 12. So first you remember that the equation must be in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means all the numbers should be on the left hand side and to the right hand side of the equality there should be 0. That is why I have brought these two numbers, the constant number, to the left hand side and it has become 5x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0, and here it is, second one is 2x minus 7y plus 12 because the 12 has come to the left hand side from the right hand side, therefore the sign has been changed here. So plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we have ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and here is also ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In this form we have written the equation. According to that one, here we are seeing that in first equation a1 is 5, b1 means the coefficient of y is 3 and c1 means the constant of equation number 1 is minus 11. Same way in equation 2 a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 7 and c2 is equal to 12. Now by cross multiplication methods we shall write this b1 b2 and this number in proper sequence, b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 and again b1 b2. Here is x and b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 and last again b1 b2. Okay, now we are solving this one. What I told you that you have to multiply this one and by the formula is minus sign should be given between the two products. So here I am solving here x by 3 12 36 minus, this is the formula minus, and then minus 7 into minus 11 becomes plus 77 equal to y by minus 11 into 2 is equal to minus 22. This is the sign of minus from the formula, and then 12 5 60 equal to 1 by 5 minus 7 minus 35 minus 2 3 6 implies x by 36 minus 77 is equal to y by minus this should be added because the both number has the same sign. It will be 82 is equal to 1 by, again that both number has same sign, it should be added, it will be minus 41. Now write again x by subtract this one and minus 41 we are getting after subtraction this one, y by minus 82 is equal to 1 by minus 41. Now we have got the answer of this by calculation. What I have told that after this one write this one as write x is equal to or first write x by minus 41 is equal to 1 by minus 41. The constant part should be written only, and for y by minus 82 is equal to 1 by minus 41 implies x is equal to this number goes to the numerator. So minus 41 by minus 41, and again here y is equal to this denominator will goes to the numerator minus 82 by minus 41. Cut this minus sign and again 41 1 ja, minus minus cancel, 41 2 ja. We have the answer here, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Thus this is the very simple way to find out the value of x and y by cross multiplication methods. Now you will get some difficult sums and the pairs of equation that I am showing you, and in the next videos I will give you and any question if you have, then you may write and you may ask in the comment box, then I will solve that one according to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and write in comment box your question about pair of linear equations. Mention also in the comment box whether you like my videos in English or in Hindi. Thanks.